Welcome to another episode of Podcast Name, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of blockchain technology. Today, we're taking a closer look at the BNB Smart Chain, its innovative features, and how it builds upon the existing frameworks of Ethereum to create something unique. So let's kick things off. If you've heard of BNB Smart Chain, you might realize it's not just another blockchain. It's crafted to introduce programmability and interoperability specifically designed with the popular BNB Beacon chain in mind. Essentially, it leverages Ethereum's formidable groundwork. Pretty cool, right? Now you might be wondering, what does EVM compatible mean? Well, in simple terms, it allows developers to use existing Ethereum tools and smart contracts without a hitch. This means less friction when building decentralized applications. Plus, BNB Smart Chain employs a system of 21 validators, all operating under something called Proof of Stake Authority, or POSA for short, which leads to quick block times and lower fees. But here's the kicker. Instead of relying on the traditional proof of work system, which I think many can agree has its environmental drawbacks, they use this blend of mechanisms. It's like combining the best of both worlds, better efficiency without compromising decentralization. Speaking of validators, these are crucial elements in BNB Smart Chain's ecosystem. The more bonds you stake, the higher your chances to become a validator. And to ensure everything runs smoothly and securely, they've incorporated double sign detection and slashing logic. This might sound technical, but basically, it's their way of ensuring that the network remains reliable and robust, like a security ranger keeping a vigil. Now let's talk about the native token, BNB. Just as ETH is to Ethereum, BNB is the heartbeat of BNB Smart Chain. It serves as the gas for executing smart contracts, functioning as both payment and a staking token. So, if you're thinking about diving into this world, you'll definitely need to understand how to use BNB. And for those of you who are eager developers looking to interact with BNB Smart Chain, well, they've built a development environment using something called geth. This is the main client for connecting with the BNB network. It's fascinating because it offers a full suite of utilities and commands that many developers may already be familiar with from Ethereum. Now, some of you might be curious about how to actually get involved with running a node. You'd need a VPS with specific hardware requirements, such as ample disk space and memory. Just a heads up, setting this up isn't as daunting as it sounds, especially for anyone with programming experience. As we wrap up this enlightening discussion, I want to highlight a key takeaway. The BNB Smart Chain is an evolving landscape that not only retains compatibility with existing Ethereum frameworks, but also emphasizes greater efficiency and community governance. What's really exciting is how it's blending and innovating upon existing technologies. So what are your thoughts on the role of interoperability in the future of blockchain? Is this the way forward for blockchain ecosystems? I'd love to hear your perspectives. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Podcast Name. Until next time, keep exploring the world of blockchain.